Welcome to BrandCrock plugin configuration video. In this video, we explain plugin configuration for Replace Footer logo. First, we need to install and activate the Replace Footer logo plugin through Plugin Manager. After activation, go to Plugin Configuration. Click on Select Own Files button to select logo. And click Save. Now go to Shop and refresh the page to see new logo is reflected. Thanks for watching. Try our plugin now for 30 days free trial. Click on the link given in the description to download free trial version. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. And also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss our upcoming videos.